My favorite book is called The Magical Adventures of Sparkle the Unicorn. It's the most amazing book in the whole world. The cover of the book is shiny and has a picture of Sparkle the unicorn with her rainbow-colored mane. It's so pretty. Sparkle is the nicest unicorn. She lives in a magical forest with talking animals like rabbits, squirrels, and birds. They're all her friends. The story begins when Sparkle finds a magical key while exploring the forest. The key can open a secret door to a hidden world. When Sparkle opens the door, she enters a land full of enchanted castles, talking dragons, and flying horses. It's like a fairy tale come to life. In the story, Sparkle goes on many adventures. She helps a baby dragon find its way home, solves riddles to rescue a trapped princess, and even learns how to fly. My favorite part is when Sparkle meets a mischievous gnome named Giggles. Giggles is funny, and he always plays pranks on Sparkle, but they become best friends. Sparkle has a special power. She can make wishes come true. Whenever someone in the magical world needs help, Sparkle uses her magic to grant their wishes. The book has beautiful illustrations on every page. I love looking at the pictures of Sparkle and her magical friends. I've read this book so many times that I know it by heart. I can even recite some of Sparkle's adventures to my friends. When I read the book, it feels like I'm in the magical world with Sparkle. I can imagine flying on her back and meeting all the amazing creatures. My mom and dad read the book to me too. We snuggle up in bed, and they use funny voices for the different characters. It makes the story even more exciting. I have a special bookmark for this book. It has a picture of Sparkle on it. It helps me keep my place when I have to stop reading. Sometimes, I bring the book to school for show and tell. I tell my classmates about Sparkle and her adventures, and they think it sounds amazing. I also have a Sparkle the Unicorn plush toy. It's soft and cuddly, just like Sparkle in the book. I hug it when I'm reading the story. I've asked my parents to take me to the forest to see if we can find a secret door like Sparkle's. They laugh and say it's a great adventure idea. I wish I could meet Sparkle and all her friends in real life. That would be the most magical adventure of all. When I grow up, I want to be a writer and create stories as amazing as The Magical Adventures of Sparkle the Unicorn. But for now, I'll keep reading and rereading my favorite book. It's a book full of magic, friendship, and dreams come true. And that's the story of my favorite book, The Magical Adventures of Sparkle the Unicorn. It's a book that fills my heart with wonder and happiness every time I read it. And that's the story of our garden. It's a magical place that brings joy to our hearts every day.